Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to cancel GoDaddy auto renewal for your domain and web hosting. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit godaddy.com, and after that you need to log into your GoDaddy account dashboard. So as you can see that now I am logged into my GoDaddy account dashboard. Now from the top we are going to click on account settings, and here we will see renewals and billing. So we are going to click on it. And here it will show us all the products that we have purchased from GoDaddy. Now from here we are going to select the products for which we need to cancel auto renewal. So I am going to select the product, and on the top we are going to see cancel renewal button. So we are going to click on it, and here it will show us a confirmation message. Now from here we are going to click on cancel renewal again, and in this way our product auto renewal will be cancelled. So this is how you can cancel auto renewal for your domain and web hosting on GoDaddy. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.